Hi, and welcome to this presentation on Kanban, which will give you an overview of Kanban and how it operates. So what is Kanban? Well, first of all, Kanban is not an inventory control system. Kanban is a scheduling system. It tells you what to produce, when to produce it, and how much of a product you should produce. And of course, Kanban is a lean manufacturing tool. Kanban is a scheduling system primarily for production, not for purchase. Now let's just have a quick history lesson. Where did lean manufacturing come from? Well, first of all, there was craft production. This was where one highly skilled worker did all the tasks. Now craft production gave operators several things. They became highly skilled and had a wide training experience. Also, if they built the whole thing, operators tended to take pride in their product, and this usually led to higher quality levels. But it also meant a number of bad things for companies. It was expensive, the lead times were long, and what did you do when your highly skilled and trained operator was absent? Well, no products were made. Next came mass production. Here, many workers did one or two simple tasks. Large lots of products were pushed ahead against individual schedules from the operators. It was very much a focus of make more faster for economies of scale, and operators tended to work within isolated islands. Now again, this gave a number of positives. It was easy to train people, and it was easy to build large lots of the same products. It also had a number of negatives, however. It was expensive, the lead times remained quite long, and quality fluctuated due to the boredom of the role for the operators, and also it led to considerable waste. Now what do we mean by waste in the mass production environment? Well, it means large lots can mean large lots of defects. Large buffers of inventory means large dollar tie-up. And producing more than what the customer wants is really a waste of time. So now we have lean production. Here, many workers still do one or two tasks. However, there's a change in focus. It's to identify waste and eliminate it. And we also only produce what the customer wants when the customer wants it. So why do we use Kanban? Well, first of all, it drives continuous improvement, and it allows us to continually reduce inventory. And reducing inventory saves money and forces us to operate much more efficiently. This is obviously all good for an organisation, but there is a potential downside. With less inventory buffers, we will be shutting down customers sooner if we do not resolve line stopping production problems. So we must ensure that production issues are resolved urgently to avoid affecting the customer. So how does Kanban operate? Well, imagine you're in a supermarket or store. What do you do when you go to the supermarket? Generally, you'll go with a list and collect just the items that you want. Now also imagine that with the groceries, etc. that you are taking from the shelves, there are Kanban cards attached to each and every item you take from the shelves. Customers select their required goods in their required amount. They then proceed to the checkout. The only difference is that each item has a Kanban card attached to it.